So the blinds work like this, you pull it down, there's no cord or anything, you pull it down, and if you want to put it back up, you just give it a gentle tug, and it goes up. And the windows, you just push down on this button, pull it to the right, and open it, and then close it. And for the other window, if you want to open this one, you've got to open this one first. So open it, open that one. Got to shut this one first. Shut that one, shut that one.
Okay, so to use the plug, to put it in, you have to twist this knob thing this way, so the plug goes in to the left, and then if you push this way, then it opens. Then for the taps, to switch it on for the shower, you just push left, left for the actual shower, you push right if you want it. And then to make it hot, you push that way. To make it cold, you push this way. So to use the shower curtain must be in the bath, otherwise all the water will come out and cover the floor in water.
And the door itself is pretty self-explanatory. Just shut it, and then if you want to lock it, you just pull it to the right, unlock it, pull it to the left.
Okay, so to open this cupboard, you have to open this one first, then this one, otherwise it won't open.
Turn the tap on, pull it up, pull it to the left, that's warm, pull it to the right, it's cold. If you use this little button underneath the actual tap itself, that makes it kind of drinking water. So that, to turn that function off, you just turn the tap off. You can also pull it out to wash and rinse the tap.
Right, to open the windows upstairs, on the side you will see there are two buttons. If you press the right hand button, it will start to whir and you will see the window very gently starts to open. You don't need to press stop, it will automatically stop when it's fully open. If you want to stop it, you just press the same right hand button and it stops. There we go. And you press the same right hand button and it's now closing, and it will fully close. There you go. And you've got blinds in them, so open and close. If it does all completely fail, you can, as I'll show you in a sec, not that it has yet, undo that latch and then it just works completely manually. But best to do the electronic stuff, particularly as if it rains then they will automatically shut for you. Okay, so that's the windows upstairs. Hob, the master switch for the hob is that one there. You turn it on with that button there. If you hold it too long, this thing here can light up. You just reset it by holding that one down, the light goes out, or just turn it on and off and turn it on again. The only thing this does do is if you put something metal on it and don't turn it on, sometimes it can sometimes turn off. Some other times it just goes into sort of meltdown mode and starts beeping. It's just because you've got a random bit of metal on it rather than a saucepan. But take it off, turn it on and off or whatever, and it all calms down. And always you can reset it with the master switch there if needs be. Okay, so the doors, when the handle is upright, it's locked or they're shut, and you twist these and then the handle doesn't move. If you untwist it, then the handle moves. Now technically you should only ever slide the doors when the handle is fully down, and then they will slide like that. Now these are meant to slide with a finger touch, but as you can see they don't. So if they get stuck, you need to put the handle into sort of a halfway mark, which lifts them up a little bit, and then it will slide along. So there you go. You can lock them in any position. That's unlocked. So if you go across, if you pan around, Sophia, to the middle one here, this is in the unlocked position. So but you can hear it is grinding. If you carefully put it to the halfway mark, you can sort of fettle it and it will slide right the way across. And then you can sort of half do it and slide this one halfway across. Just try and do it with as minimal amount of crunching noise. It's a bit of a fiddle, so I would say it's an adult job at the moment. This is why we've got half the facing off the front and a nice legal dispute going on. So anyway, hope you can move it, you can open and shut them, they all go from either end, and one day it will be very good, hopefully. Now, okay, dishwasher. So dishwasher, you turn it on with that switch there. You choose which program you're in by pressing P, and the green light swaps across to whichever program you want. We normally use the one with the big E. Then you press the on button and it lights up green to turn it on. What it does do at the end of the cycle, it makes a really annoying beep. So if you're putting it on at night, what we tend to do is if you press the hourglass, you can turn the display there to how many hours you want to delay the